It's time!
Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. How we all doing today? How we all doing? Yeah, Javier, good morning, everyone. Good morning, Caution. Beyond Limits, yeah, it's a nice intro. Javier, yeah, we got some nice moves today, finally. Finally, we got some nice moves. Guys, look at this sell-off. Massive sell-off. Bro, I had a perfect short right here. I was working on challenges. 70-point drop. I got out because I had to get a 50% consistency rule. And then I got out at like halfway, like 1400. And then it dumped 300 points. I would have kept holding if there was no consistency. But, guys, that was a... Look at these shorts. But now it looks like it formed a bottom area and it's kind of trying to make its way back up. True Trade. Thank you, True Trades. I really appreciate you using my code, man. It really means a lot. Yeah, get those funded accounts going and start getting payouts, brother. What's up, El Paso? Good morning, good morning. Beyond Limits, yeah. Hey, green is green, man. Green is green. What's up, M5? What's up, brother? Yeah, we're making a nice reversal. I mean, we had a massive dump. Like, what is this? 700 points? 700 points? Sorry, I had to do that. Yeah, like almost 700 points. Holy crap. So, yeah, we're kind of making our way back up. Slowly grinding back up. Yeah, green is green, man. Take it. But, yeah, we had horrible chop. What was it? Horrible chop the whole week. Even on FOMC. FOMC was horrible yesterday. Thank you, Caution. Thank you, thank you. But yeah, man, we had a massive chop this whole week, so we finally got good movement today. Hopefully we can keep it rolling, knock on wood. Nice, Cali Sunshine. Great job, man. Yeah, you can save these accounts, man. What's up, FL? How's it going, everyone? Good morning, good morning. Looking like a breakout to the upside again. Nice gap right here. Big green candle coming in.
Order filled.
I'm going to take a long to the upside, liking this breakout up to the upside right here. Put a stop right there. Coming right back down, though. But we need it to kick right away and start going. Yeah, it looks like it's making a reversal back up to the upside. I mean, we had a massive dump, like 700 points, so it's trying to make a recovery. But I took a nice short right there. Literally a no drawdown. Dude, I literally made 70 points in 2 minutes. Like, less than 2.5 minutes. New 5-minute. Just want to see a nice continuation of breakup. Don't like how it's stalling right here, though. Want it to go, like, right away. And then if we continue to break this, which it just did, that's a nice gap to the upside right there. That's a nice 50, 70 points right here. Only risking 15. But we need the momentum to kick in. It's stalling too much right here.
Stop filled.
Stopped out right there. Unfortunate. Was looking for a breakout to the upside, and yeah, we were breaking up, but it looks like it's making a pullback right back down. Guys, my breakouts have not been doing the best recently, but I was expecting like today to be a lot better. What up, Isaac? And 5, yeah, nice job, man. Lock it in. What's up, Perp? How's it going, everyone? Small loss on that one. Maybe I should kind of FOMO'd in a little bit. Could have worked on that a little better. Yeah, beyond limits. That's literally what I was thinking. Nice big green candle breaking levels up, trying to catch that momentum. But unfortunate, we could be right. Just wrong timing. Same thing. But we had some big moves today. And we have I think the government shutdown is tomorrow, if I'm not mistaken. And then we still have news tomorrow too, so that'll be nice. Han, yeah, I caught a nice 70-point short on some challenges right here. Nice 70-point drop. 10 micros per account. Pretty good on that. Yeah, are we? I heard that we were having another government shutdown on tomorrow, right? I think so. Yeah, I know. I do not want that again. Yeah, we had like our longest government shutdown this year, right? Or last year? I forgot when it was. Nice, Tommy. Hey, you're green on the other account. That's what matters, and you manage your risk. Han, yeah. Yeah. Usually it's not the best. Sup, Paint? How's it going, man? Middle, we took one loss, one trade so far on these accounts. Yeah, this breakout was not really working. It just came right back down. Sup, Jay staying right? Sup, brother? Nice, Tommy. There you go. Yeah, Tommy, you're doing good. You're doing great this year, man. That's a great way to start the year. Sup, Trader Bob? Nice, paint or die. Hey, you're green on the day. Lock it in, man. Honestly. $25,660. Yeah, this is a nice long entry area right here. It was kind of forming an area right here. What's up, Brian? How's it going, man? Yeah, I should make a strategy video or something. I don't know how to explain it. It's just simple strategies, but with like price action levels. I think what more people are confused about are like my levels, but yeah, maybe I can make a video like that. Justin, right? Hopefully they restore yours. I think the other firms are, so hopefully like contact support or something. Yeah, because all the other firms, they restored the account balances. Or I knew 5-minute right here. Kev, yeah, I told you, man. That's a payout locked in. There's no reason to trade those, so nice. Nice you locked it in, Kev. Great job. Han, yeah, these are the TakeProfitTrader accounts. So we've held these accounts since the beginning of the month, so it's pretty nice. From the challenges to the funded accounts. So they're still alive. I want to keep it that way. We're at $1,200 balance. So they're still alive. I mean, they're still doing great. I mean, we switched to 5 micros because we want to have them for a while. Yeah, I'll be honest. Take profit their support does take a little while to respond, but lately they have improved. But before, yeah, it used to be like days. Yeah, Tommy, if you keep the accounts alive and then you're consistently getting payouts, it's just money coming in and you're not spending anything on those accounts. So it's just like just extra. It's like profit coming in. So even if it's a grand, I mean, a grand is like good money. That's a lot of. That's a lot. Yes, sir, Han. Appreciate you. These are just five. Yeah, I trade on the 5 minute, but this is how I mark out my levels. Tops and bottoms of wicks, areas where it bounced off of, consistently where price tapped off of, stuff like that. I was looking for a breakout to the upside, but it was kind of stalling right here, so I want to see if it actually wants to continuation long and continue to like break up. I don't hate ICT, Han. There's nothing wrong with it. Like, if you trade ICT and it works for you, there's nothing wrong with that. It's just when people like talk shit on my strategy and say it doesn't work, and then they tell me to go to ICT, then I'm like, all right, relax. Like, I don't care if you guys trade ICT. Like, if there's really amazing traders that trade ICT, a nice breakout to the upside right here, nice push up right here. But yeah, like I said, it's just when you start like, hey, your strategy sucks. Trade ICT, bro. Then I'm like, all right, whatever. Brian, did you get it fixed? Like, did they restore it or something? Yeah, True Trades. Yep, yeah. I like NQ. Great job, Tommy. There you go. Good morning, Internet. Good morning, good morning. Kev, it depends on your personal preference. They're both good. Kev, what funded account did you get the payout on yesterday? Yeah, Han, it's literally just risk management and how you manage risk. That's literally all that matters. What's up, Meeks? What's up, brother? Kev? Yeah. Yeah, this is the breakout I was looking for, but it just stalled too much. Pain or die, I did have a problem blowing accounts, I'm not gonna lie. But I had a few accounts like I saved for a while. But oh my gosh, dude, that makes me want to FOMO in. Guys, this is literally the move we were looking for on that last trade. But yeah, we still make good profit, pain or die. Yeah, Brian, TakeProfitTrader, yeah, their support does take a little while, so just be a little more patient on that. Yeah, they do take a little longer, unfortunately. Nice, Kev. Well, Kev, if you want, I mean, if you're used to the daily payouts, then maybe go with the daily payout option on Tradeify. But if you want bigger payouts and you kind of want that top set route, then go for the 5-day plan. It really depends on what you want. Meeks? Yeah, we had a massive giraffe eating grass to the downside. Ashank, yeah, I'll get you guys a new link in my bio video on Friday. I'm gonna try doing them once a week for y'all because everyone loves them and they're pretty nice. I got a good one planned. I got a good one in mind. All right, I want to see how it reacts right here off this 25,820 level right here. I took a nice short earlier on challenges, 70-point drop. Then it dumped 300. So I want to see how it reacts right here, if it wants to reject again or it finally wants to break out and go to the upside. So we'll see how it wants to react. Kind of pushing up here. See if it wants to break. Payouts, maybe like contact support, but like it should be good. Rithmic should be fine right now. Yeah, guys, with TakeProfitTrader, with their bot, their AI bot, just literally on the customer support, just hit like human or agent. Just type agent or human. And every time I want to support, I'd ignore the bot. Unless it's like a basic question, right? But if you actually want to talk to a human, literally just say human, agent, I want to speak to a person. And then they'll get someone to you. Nice, caution. Yeah, we're not going to FOMO in, Han. We're not going to FOMO in, yeah. Even though that was the play we're looking for, 60 points. We're not going to go until... This was a big rejection right here, and it just dumped so hard. Pain or die? Yeah, it depends. Right now, like, I'm doing the conservative route this year, like with these accounts particularly. Like, I want to save these for. Here's my goal. I want to keep these accounts for like as long as possible, obviously, but we'll see how long I can keep these accounts alive. We need to get into the buffer. We need another payout with these accounts. Brian, yeah, I remember that you made you got it to halfway and then another to 3,000. But that's good that you made 890, man. Yeah, Kev, the 5-day option, you get a bigger payouts, but you need to have 5 winning days, and then the daily payout, they're just like, I think the 50K account is still $1,000 cap per payout. So it depends. Like I said, it depends on your style. There's nothing wrong with both. It just depends on you, personal preference. Tommy, I do, but these are my dedicated stream accounts, so I always start with these, and then if we like end the day early, like on my past streams, I ended it at like 10 o'clock or 9:30 or whatever. I'll go to like other accounts. Yeah, these are copy traded. Nice, FL, nice. Yeah, we switched to 5 micros as well. Yeah, I want to see if it rejects right here, because there was a big rejection right here earlier. I want to see if it wants to do that same thing. I mean, if we take a short, gonna have like small risk. I just want to see how it reacts. Guys, I've noticed on a lot of my trades this week, I'm right, just getting stopped out at the wrong time. I'm getting it at the wrong timing. Like, guys, like, breakout to the upside, 15-point stop, got stopped out, then ran 60 points. We gotta time it better. We have the right ideas, just the wrong timings. Yeah. Brian, if you're at 52,271, yeah, maybe just play it safe and hopefully customer support like responds. Because hopefully they'll just like count that $1,500 day. Or a new 5-minute right here.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try a short. Can be a little risky. We're gonna have a stop right above here, but it rejected hard right here before, and it literally dropped like what, 300 points, almost 300 points, and we have a tight risk, tight stop. So looking for a fall back down to here now. We were right on that breakout, guys, on that first trade, but we got in at the bad timing. But you can't dwell on it. You can't like let it affect you. coming up here. Do not like that. I want to see a rejection like right now. Drop it like it's hot. Drop that. Reject. I stream at 9 a.m. Bullseye. 9 a.m. PST. Start time. Yeah, Brian, you can copy trade them. You can copy trade evals and funded. There's nothing wrong with that. They allow that. Yeah, Perp, I might be entering a little too late. Yeah, that was a breakout. That one, yeah, I think I got in too late on that one, honestly. I kind of got in right there. Not the best timing on that trade. Yeah, I think we need to be entering a little sooner, maybe. Yeah, Meeks, it's just dangerous doing that, because I used to do that, and then I'd always have that one trade where I can't accept a loss, and then it just runs like 50, 60 points.
Stop filled.
Damn, guys, we are 0 for 2 on these accounts. Fuck. Oh, man. No bueno, guys. Breaking out to the upside. Damn. Well, we took a breakout long right here. We were right, but then got stopped out, and then it ran up hard. That's what we were looking for. Rejection short. I think this play was kind of bad, honestly. I like this breakout short on the first trade, but I just got in at bad timing. That's why I like the idea. And then this short was kind of it's kind of risky, honestly. So not the best trades on that one. Guys, should we go to evals or should we take one more trade on these accounts? I don't know. Den. Usually like 30 points I'll give myself to work with. Den like around like 300. At first I had it at 600 because I was trading one mini, but with these accounts it's around 300 and I went over that. Yeah, we were right on this trade, just bad timing. I still like that trade, just could have gotten a better timing. This one was kind of bad, honestly. Evals. I do have those Lucid accounts. They're brand new still. I mean, these accounts are... I mean, we still have $1,000 left. I mean, they're still alive. Even though we're down 400 on the day. Garb, yeah, we're 0 for 2 on this. Sarah? I don't know why. I'm so tempted to take one more trade on these accounts. I don't know why. Evals. Brian. Yeah, you can have different groups, Brian. There's nothing wrong with that. I can have numerous groups. I can I can make another group if I wanted to. You can create numerous groups. Alright. I'll take one more trade, but if it's a loss, I'm automatically done. We're only going to risk not that much. Yeah, because we're already down 400. And we're already 0 for 2. So, this is not... if we take one more loss, we're absolutely done on these accounts. I mean, I still have those alpha future fundeds. I lost a lot on frickin' Wednesday on those accounts. No, Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday. But they're still alive. You got put on timeout. Timeout is crazy. Brian, with the groups, you can only trade them one at a time. You can only trade one group at a time. If you want multiple firms, Brian, you need like a third-party service like Tradesyncer or something like that. Or Quantower if they're all Rithmic, stuff like that. Yeah. Internet. Yeah, they don't like that, man. I don't know why. They don't like it. Oh, I got a 9:30 candle in 1 minute. Brian, yeah, if I'm copy trading multiple firms, I'll use Tradesyncer. But if I'm trading one firm at a time, the Tradovate one is fine. But on Tradesyncer, you can also trade one firm at a time as that on there too, if you really wanted to. Both are good. FSP. Yeah, today, I mean, we had a really volatile morning this morning. Meeks. Very volatile. Yeah, Tradesyncer, it's a little expensive, but I mean, it works fine. Yeah, Brian, it's in the tutorial in the description. It's a tutorial for Quantower, Tradesyncer, and Tradovate. Alright, new 5 minute right here. Sarah, I started with Top Step with the futures. When I started futures propfirms, I started with the Top Step. Man, I started with like one account or something. And I think I blew it like once or twice before I got it funded or whatever. I don't know. It was like 2 years ago. I know I blew a couple before I got my first funded. But after I started propfirms, I passed my first account 1 month in. And then 1 month later, I got my first payout. So I got my first payout in like 2 months after starting, which was, I think, really like good. I mean, honestly, like for starting a prop firm. But I was doing like was it options before, so 2023. So I was kind of used to the swings with the money. That's why I was like, if I blow this $150 account, like, yeah, it sucks, but you know, I'll survive. So on the evals, I'll be honest, I was kind of like, I was ripping like 5 minis on the 100, because it was 150Ks. But I think on the funded, I was trading like 2 to 3 minis, and I got like a $7 grand payout. Because one day I had like a massive winner, and then I just flipped the rest of the days, and then I got that $7,000 payout. So I kind of got lucky on that payout. I'm not gonna lie, because I had that big winning day. I had like a massive winner. I think it was like 200 points or something. It was a big trade. Yeah, Brian, the group trading's pretty good. Yeah, I have all the tutorials in the description. Just be careful with the group trading, because if you have 5 accounts and then you blow 5, you lost 5 accounts. That's the bad thing with copy trading. Hey, what's up, Victor? Thanks for tuning in, brother. Yeah, we're doing good. Yeah. I saw you got your first payout. Very nice, Victor. Yeah, honestly, guys, on that top step payout, I did get a little lucky because of that one day. But I mean, I still would have got a payout, but a lot smaller if I didn't have that big winning day. But yeah, not bad. Yeah, Brian. Yeah, you literally start slow. There's no reason to copy trade a bunch of accounts right at the beginning. Get your foot going. Trade. Be patient. Get a few payouts with those accounts that you have right now, and then you can scale. Thank you, Sarah. I appreciate you. Brian, you're very close, man. You just gotta do the same thing you're doing on the challenges. If you're doing very well on the challenges, do the same exact thing on the funded accounts. Because like you said, you made it to like $3,000 yesterday in like what, 3 days? That's pretty good. So just do literally the exact same thing you're doing on the challenges, man. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. A lot of people like freak out when they have a funded account and then they go crazy and then they like do like stuff that doesn't work or something different and then it doesn't work. Jag, yeah, we're 0 for 2 on the day. We're 0 for 2. We're down like 400, 375. Din, yeah, you just start slow, man. Work on one firm at a time. Work on that. Get good at it. Get a few payouts. And then, yeah, you can scale. Right on, Brian. Appreciate you, man. Get that payout, brother. Luca, not yet. I have not yet. Jag, no, I only trade NASDAQ and Q. Oh my gosh, guys, look at silver. Massive dump. Wait, 14 points is actually a lot. Holy crap. Damn. No, it dropped 15 points from its high. Guys, 15 points, what? You guys are saying with 1 micro is 15 grand? This is a 15 grand move with 1 micro. Holy crap. Yeah, we're gonna stay out of that. Oh, man. Crazy volatile. There you go, Brian. If that works for you, do the same thing on the funded, man. Yeah, Tevin, yeah. Yeah. We had bigger buffer. Oh, man, we're ripping silver. I know, John. We had massive move, massive dump this morning. Massive. Luca, just find... It's hard finding what works for you, but yeah, you just gotta find what works for you. Learn what you're doing wrong. Like, why are you losing, right? Like, are you repeatedly, like, getting at the wrong timing? Or is it your stop losses? Like, what are you struggling with? Good morning, Prop Trader. How's it going, man? Alright, see if it wants to break this right here. Just 860 right here. Alright, I have the right idea. Just the wrong timing. I need to work on my entries this week. So normally would look for a breakout right here. But I'm going to wait patiently and maybe wait for a pullback and then enter. Okay? We got to learn from our mistakes. We can't keep doing the same mistakes. Yeah, John, you can just keep stacking. Like, yeah, if you're over the consistency, you just keep on trading, yeah. Yeah, prop trader, it happens, man. Today was pretty volatile. I'm down 400 on the day. 0 for 2. It happens, man. You just gotta get back up and learn from it and get better. Thank you, John. Appreciate you, John. Yeah, another John was complimenting the beard. The Johns love the beards. Oh, man. Nice breakout to the upside right here. Pretty bullish at the moment. But I'm not just going to FOMO in. I've been FOMOing in. You need to wait for a pullback, then enter. Oh, you're the John. Oh, what up, John? Oh, that's funny. Oh, that's funny, John. I was about to say, we got the John saying nice beards. Oh, man. Yeah, Timmy, it happens. Yeah, today was either a hit and miss for people. You either won a lot today or you kind of lost a lot today. But it happens, Timmy. You see, you learn from that. Yeah, because the metal, gold and silver are pretty volatile right now. Especially, like, I mean, look at this. It doesn't look like that much, but like you guys were saying, 1 micro is like $1,000 per point. I'm like, holy, 1 micro. I can't imagine 1 mini. I can't imagine that. Crazy. Alright. We've been getting at the end at the wrong timing, guys. We need to wait for a pullback long. Okay? Okay, look. I would have taken a breakout right there, right? I would have probably got stopped out right here. I'm right, just at the wrong timing. Don't, yeah, John, don't trust anyone named John. Especially like a very simple one, like John Smith. Hey, John Smith. Just like the most common names. Tullian, yeah, we got the 5 TakeProfitTrader accounts. These are funded. We're at $1,000 right now. Okay, look, if I took a breakout right there, which the old me would have done, I would have got stopped out. So, good thing I didn't take that trade. Yeah, prop trader, yeah, I heard it's crazy volatile on silver. Nice, John. Prop trader, yup. Right on, FL. Let's go. Yeah, longs still look okay. Just waiting for a good entry. John, are those challenges or fundeds with Apex? If they're challenges, you should be fine. They don't care as long as it's over the profit target. If it's funded though, they're shit. Funded, yeah, you just gotta trade until you get 30% consistency now, John. But at least you built you built a nice buffer on those accounts now, so that's nice. That's the plus side. OG beats 50k or 150k. Either or. I always go with those accounts. Majority of the time 50k, but every now and again I'll go to 150k. I want to see how it reacts right here.
Order filled.
All right, if I lose on this trade, this is definitely my last trade on these accounts. But looking for a long entry right here. Good thing I didn't long right here, guys. A breakout. What are we learning right now? I've been getting it. I'm right, just at the horrible timing. I'm getting at the wrong timing. It's got to wait for a better entry. So waited for a bigger pullback on this level right here, and then yeah, looking for a bounce up to here. Because if I went right there, immediately stopped out. No bueno. So gotta learn from our mistakes, guys. If it works out, it works out. All right, nice. We're up 20 points. We're gonna lower our risk. 8-point stop. Nice bounce right here. I really want to see it continue and then come up to here, and then if it continues up, we can see a newer level higher up right here. Nice bounce right there. Very nice bounce.
Order filled.
I'm going to lock it in right there. Small 15 points, only because I'm already down on the day, and we got some of the gains back. And it could come back here again, and we could do like another re-entry. So, I mean, that was a very fast 15 points. I mean, 15 points. I'll take it. I mean, we were like instantly in profit, so I'll gladly take it. Yeah, that was a nice trade. Yeah. See, look, guys, normal me this week would have taken a breakout long right here and then get stopped out. We would have got wrecked, right? All right, see, good thing we locked out right there. It's coming right back to our entry, so that was a nice lockout. Yeah, thank you, guys. Thank you. Yeah, especially since we took 2 losses on the day, that win helps a little bit right there. Get back some of the losses. So that was nice. All right, I want to see if it bounces here again or if it wants to break down to the downside. Yeah, John, you can let your winners run, and yeah, I mean, dude, 7K, you built yourself a nice buffer right here. All right, let's see if it wants to bounce here again, or if it actually wants to break through. It looks like it's wanting to break through right here. All right, well, great thing we got out that trade, guys. Very nice we got out that trade because we would have got stopped out right there. So that was a nice exit. John, absolutely. He got his bass is what, like 6-7 pounds, and he only started that pawn build like what, 3, 4, maybe 5 years ago. I forgot when. It's a few years ago, and they're pretty healthy. And I mean, 5-acre pawn. I mean, dude, that's the dream. He's definitely gonna get a 10-pounder. Yeah, coming back down here to the downside. You think so, Paint or Die? 800? Alright, we're about to tap it right here. Yeah, John, he's got some hogs in there. He got like the OG bass in there. Bonnie and Clyde. He got Bonnie and Clyde. Gotta be cautious of a reversal happening right here. Gotta be a little cautious. John, yeah. Freaking hogs. Yeah, price. Oh, big selling coming in right here. Yeah, FL. Yeah. Guys, look at that. That was literally a false breakout to the upside, and then came down hard. We've been seeing a lot of false breakouts here. Jokes aside, literally like the turtle suit, guys. Like not even joking. These false breakouts. Look at this. Like that looked pretty damn bullish, honestly, right here. And I was gonna look for a breakout long, but like I said, I was entering way too at the wrong timing. That was literally, look at that false breakout, and then it came down hard. Dude, that's 70 points. 80 points. Damn. Guys, this doesn't look like that much, but that's 80 points right here. Nice, Brian. Yeah, just speak to an agent, honestly. Just say human or agent with TakeProfitTrader, and they just assign you a guy or girl. Meeks, yeah. Yeah, we're all treating this like a video game. That's the thing, Middle. It's hard to tell. And I've been getting faked out a lot this week on these breakouts. Because normal me would take a breakout. And I mean, look at that. That would be a nice gap up. That's a huge move. But it's just hard to tell. So we're just learning that we were getting in at horrible timing. And we're getting faked out a lot. So that's why we waited for a long entry on a bigger pullback. Or our new 5-minute right here. It looks kind of bearish, honestly. PTG, yeah, 9 a.m. PST, not Eastern, PST every day. There you go, Brian. See, look at that. Boom. Great job, Brian. See? Guys, if you had an account yesterday with TakeProfitTrader, it says all net losses have been restored. Accounts that have failed have been reactivated. Profitable accounts remain unchanged. So if you guys were affected with TakeProfitTrader yesterday, it should be good. I don't know when they'll restore it, but hopefully soon. See, Brian, look at that. See? Now you have those accounts passed pretty much. You just need to trade tomorrow and you got unfunded, right? Very nice. Yeah, guys, we're kind of just being patient right now, honestly, because right now I don't know where it wants to go. I would want to wait for a confirmation. We took 2 losses and then 1 winner. So, okay. ES wants to go down. Let me check. Oh, we had Tesla earnings yesterday. So I think that's also why we were kind of chopping around, because Tesla earnings was right after FOMC. Yeah, we had a big dump with the ES and then kind of recovered. It's kind of same thing. It looks like it's kind of falling back down. See what Nvidia is doing. Nvidia, kind of same thing. Hey Brian, do you know when they said that they're gonna restore the accounts? Just just to be safe, just contact support, like go in the chat box and ask to speak to a human and just say that your accounts were affected or something and like when it can be done. Alright, now it's coming back down kind of hard right here. Nice, Brian. Great job. Great job. Yeah, we could see another sell-off coming in. No problem, Brian. Glad you got those funded. I'm gonna get some water real quick. I'll be right back. All right, we're back. All right, kind of bouncing right here, but I want to see how it wants to break if it wants to. That's a big red candle right here. So, guys, good thing we got out that last trade. Damn. Good thing. PTG, jeez. What the heck? My gosh. That's crazy. Dude, PTG, imagine that was a funded account, man. Oh, man. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Meeks, yeah, shorts paid right here, guys. Shorts paid. That's 100 points from right here. I mean, it's all good, PTG. I mean, you still got it to halfway on the funded. That's nice. Yeah, Meeks, you see this false breakout? Then it just dumped 100 points. Guys, this is over 100 points right here. Dump. False breakout. Yeah. Dude, I love me the turtles. Turtles are nice. Yeah, but guys, I want to see if this is actual a bounce, or I feel like it's gonna like push lower, honestly. So we had a massive sell-off this morning, massive, big recovery, like 300 points. That's kind of dumping again. I mean, I think it was Wednesday last week, we had massive swings. We literally moved like 500 points to the upside, 500 points down, then like another 500 points up or something. Peace out, Dave. Thanks for tuning in, brother. But yeah, guys. Yeah, Dave. Hey, everyone, shout out Dave, man. He really pushed me to go live this year. He was like, he's been pushing me to go live, so shout out to you, Dave. And then I was like, yeah, we gotta go live, fuck it. Yeah, Dave, we're at, almost 7,600 subs. We're at 7,592. Pretty good. Pretty good, pretty good. Yeah, Dave was messaging me like, bro, you gotta go live. You gotta do this. You gotta do that. Come on, you just gotta start, man. So, shout out Dave, man. Yeah, we have a new hour candle in 2 minutes, guys. So I want to see where that closes. Don't want to just jump in right here. Right on FL. Yeah, ES is falling down right now. Internet. All right, let's see. It's kind of breaking down right here. Hey, thank you, PTG. Thank you, man. Yeah. Yeah, we gotta get some Dave. We gotta send him some food. I think he's in Thailand right now. We gotta send him some food. The food there looks pretty good. He posted on our Discord. What's up, Jones? Thanks for tuning in. What's up, Twain? Twain, we're 2 losses and 1 win so far. Not bad. We're only down $230 now. So, not too bad. We can literally make that back on 1 trade, guys. Guys, 23 points on this market today. That's nothing. That's literally 1 move. Alright, new hour candle in 30 seconds. Want to see where it wants to close. 10 seconds. Alright. Yeah, Brian. So, yeah, don't trade those accounts because if they said they're going to be restored, yeah, you already passed those accounts. So, yeah, don't trade it. It's already locked in. Alright, coming back up here. We got to be careful with these reversals, guys, because look at this false breakout. Crashed down like 100 points. And right now, I don't know if it's going to make a recovery back up to here or it's just going to make a little pullback and then dump lower. I have no idea. So we just got to wait. Yeah, lock them up. Lock them up. Lock it in, guys. Coming back down here now. You gotta be patient, guys. You gotta be sneaky. You gotta be quick. Nvidia is popping back up. Alright, where are we going, everyone? Yeah, Ludwig. Code Casinator will give you the best discount. I think they have 30% off right now with Tradeify. It gives you the same discount and everything. Alright, where are we going? Well, right now we're kind of in the middle right here of this recovery area, kinda. Middle more or less is around right here of this just recovery area, but we'll see. Thank you, Ludwig. Appreciate you, man. It means a lot. Thank you. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna chop right now. I mean, we got some decent moves today, honestly. Like, way better than today. We had the worst chop this whole week. Monday and Tuesday were horrible. Even FOMC yesterday was pretty bad, honestly. That's a big green candle coming in right here. This is a 60-point candle. Yeah, should we? Just rip silver? Yeah, we might. Yeah, right here. Just pull up. PTG, I do. Because I think it's just your overall profits. This is not financial advice or anything. I don't know anything about taxes. I just go to a tax guy, and he does everything. But yeah, I do deduct them. Because the propfirms, they're expensive. Like, these accounts, you know, I paid $510 for these, so, you know, that's an expense. Because you need it to get payouts. So it's ordinary and necessary to run the business. Trading subscriptions, like TradingView, Tradesyncer, you need that to trade. Stuff like that. A computer, maybe. Yeah, my computer. I need it to trade. Anything ordinary and necessary to run the business. Thank you, Brian. Thanks for tuning in like always. I'll see you tomorrow. FSTV, I usually trade like 7 o'clock after. If I do trade, I don't really trade right at market open now. Like, it'll be after 7 a.m. for me if I do trade. What time is he speaking, DGen Trader? Yeah, internet. That's the thing. We don't know. That's the thing. We don't know. Day, I'm not sure. Yeah, Tommy, you gotta. Because it's literally anything ordinary and necessary to run the business, and you cannot get payouts without buying the accounts. So we need to buy these accounts. It's a business expense. 4:30 Eastern. Thank you. 4:30. That's 1:30. Okay, that's 1:30. So that'll be market close. Nice, Jones. Yeah, that was a nice gap up right here. Good job, Jones. Yeah, futures trading like in a live brokerage, you have better tax advantages. Yeah, but with prop firms, they tax you differently. I think they tax you as like a, what is it? I forgot what it was. It was like a independent contractor, I think. I think that's how they tax you. Independent contractor. I think. I hate taxes, honestly. I used to do my taxes like at the beginning with the shoe business, and I realized like how like complicated and confusing it was. I'm like, dude, I'm just gonna go to a tax guy, pay him like $300-400 to file it. He does. You just give him all the numbers. He files it everything correctly. This, that. It's so much less headache. Saves you a lot of time. He files it correctly. One and done. You're done. So much better. So much less stressful. Yeah, 10.99, yeah. I'm guys, hey, instead of telling people I day trade, like, oh, I'm a day trader, I'm gonna tell them now I'm an independent contractor. Well, what does that mean? I don't know. I'm an independent contractor. You're gonna have to find out. Yeah, Tom, you gotta be very organized with stuff. Yeah, I keep a track of like how much I spend on the prop firms and stuff. I mean, you gotta. Dude, it sounds professional. I'm an independent contractor. Whoa, whoa. They're gonna think you're a fucking hitman or some shit.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm gonna try a long right here. Kind of like this long setup. Continuation up. If we lose on this, this is gonna be our last trade on these accounts, guys. If we lose. But if we win, that's a nice gap up to the upside. Continuation up, that's a nice 40 points right here. Yeah. I'm an independent contractor. Oh, so like, what do you do? Like, oh, I day trade.
Stop filled.
Oh, man, we got fucking clapped. Holy crap. Yeah, we're done on these accounts, guys. That was an instant stop. Yeah, 3 losses, 1 win. Yeah, we're down 400. Yeah. No bueno. No bueno. We still got 50 minutes left on the stream, so probably work on other accounts. Independent contractor. I like that. What is this? Yeah, we're done on these accounts, guys. We're down to $385. That's too much. We got to survive. We got to trade to tomorrow. 3 losses, 1 win. Yeah, no bueno. Red one. Yeah, we got freaking clapped today, guys. We got clapped. Damn, dude, I have the right idea at the wrong fucking time, man. Yeah, Loki might have to have bigger stops because the 15-point stop losses today, look, the first play worked out, stopped me out, then it ran like, what is that? Over 100 points? This one. We'd be up 20 points in profit right now if I had a wider stop. Damn, that's fucking unfortunate. Whatever. You can't dwell on it. It's 5 funded. Yeah, we were pretty much right today. Just really bad timing, honestly. Really bad timing. We had the right ideas. Just wrong timing. We learned that and we went it on a pullback right here and we entered a long. That was a nice long. Quick 15 points. But yeah, we're probably going to have bigger stops. Like the 15-point ones are not working today. Damn. Look at that. Now it's like, dude, that's so tilting. Oh my god. Stops you out and then runs 20 points in your favor, guys. Hey, it's okay. We'll be alright. These alphas, 3 funded. I fucking lost 2K on Tuesday. So annoying. On a slow, choppy day, too. But we're gonna go to 30? How much is 5? 15. We're gonna go 5 micros each. But we're up. We caught some. We took a nice long on these this morning, 370. But I could still afford to make more. So, but we're absolutely done on those TakeProfitTrader accounts, guys. Yeah, no bueno. We gotta limit the risk. RMT, yeah. Yeah. Oh my god. Guys, we were right, just the wrong timing again. Alright, so we need to learn that on these trades. Just gotta be cool, calm, collected. Nvidia's pushing up now. Spy's trying to, yes. Middle? I did that one time and it actually worked. Like, I normally would have longed at this one time, and then I was like, I kept losing, and I was like, you know what? I'm a short. And I shorted, and it actually paid. Yeah, guys, if we keep losing, if we just do the opposite of what we were going to do, we would win. Think about it. Think about it, guys. Think about it. But, I mean, guys, those TakeProfitTrader accounts, they're still at $1,000 balance. Like, we still have $1,000. Like, I mean, they're only halfway done. They're still good. Big brain moves. Big brain moves. Alright, Casey would normally long right here. Let's go for a short. Boom, it drops like 50 points. Yeah. Alright, let's see if it actually wants to break out of here or just like do a false breakout and then dump again. True trades, yeah, you just need 5 winning days on the flex accounts. The other accounts are different, I think. It depends on the account, but the flex, yeah, I know you need 5 winning days. Then you get a payout. Inverse turtle soup. Mr. Turtle Soup. Alright, we got a new 15-minute, 5-minute candle right here. Guys, fuck, we were right. Look, it ran 30 points. Dude, we got stopped and then it just yeeted right up. Gosh. We can't dwell on it. M5, yeah. I mean, 26,000, it's only right here. That's not far at all. Want to see if it actually wants to break out of here and continuation long, or if it actually wants to reject again. Because, I mean, this was a false breakout, and then it literally just dumped 100 points. But Nvidia's pushing up still. But we have 63% going up. It's a big percentage, guys. No way. Okay, guys, what did we learn? We're getting at the worst timings. We need to wait for like a bigger pullback and then enter. Maybe have a wider stop, like 20 points. 25,800. Yeah, right here. Yeah, I think it might do pullback and try and push up higher again, but I'm just wondering where it's going to pull back to. Is it going to go to the 25,800 again? Or come back down to here at that 750 area? Because that 750 area is kind of a big level too. Yeah. But guys, if we continue and break up this right here, this 860 area, I mean, that's a massive gap. Big move up we could see. Zara Trader, yep. You guys think we're shorting? Yeah, it's coming back down here right now. You guys are in shorts? I don't blame you. I'm literally rejecting off here again. Thank you, Prop Trader. Thank you, man. Good luck on that eval, man. Let's go, Silver. Come on, Silver. Oh, I got a new 5-minute right here. Yeah, coming back down here, guys. Or die. Holy crap. Yeah, we live stream for 2 hours every day, Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. PST. Paint or die, where are you from if it's dinner time? But guys, today's one of my favorite workouts today. Sweden! Damn. Hey, thank you, Paint or Die. Yeah, that's pretty cool. You're from Sweden, man. Wow. That's sick. Guys, we're doing back and biceps today and forearms. Oh, yes. I gotta start doing chin-ups again. I don't like doing pull-ups, but I like chin-ups. FL? Yeah. Yeah. We gotta get those champion music. We need to be in a trade over 50 points. Internet, yeah, we gotta get it going. What's up, Ani? My illustrative artist. he draws the best turtles. I don't know. Beyond, I like getting like I used to do like a lot of arm wrestling with my friends, like back in like high school, a little after high school and stuff. We would do like a crap ton of arm wrestling, and it was like really fun. So I would try to get like giant ass forearms. I'd do like a bunch of forearm exercises, but then I haven't been doing that much lately. But if anything, I do like wrist curls or stuff like that. I have like an arm wrestling attachment, and it literally works your wrists, your fingers, your forearms. People look at me like, "What the fuck is he doing?" But it actually works. Literally works your back, your forearms, your biceps, your fingers, your wrist. So it's pretty nice. Ani, yeah, we took 3 losses and 1 win on our funded, so we're down 385 on the day. We caught it on those accounts, but we're working on these accounts right here. Hawaii is your chance, internet. Dude, that's gonna be sick. Getting jacked in Hawaii and then like walking on the beach after or something. Dude, that'd be freaking sick. Yeah, Beyond Limits, I love Devin Larrett. That dude's a freaking beast. I love Devin Larrett. That guy's awesome. Ani, yeah. Yeah, today was a hit or miss for people. You either won today a lot or you lost a lot today. A lot of people got cooked. But we had good movement today, so that was nice. But we were right on literally like majority of our trades, like 2 of the losses, just at the wrong timing. Yeah, guys, we were right on that first trade, breakout to the upside, but we got stopped out and then it ran 100 points. Got stopped out right here, then ran like 30, 40 points. This trade, this short right here, where did I short? I shorted like around here, I think. That was a bad trade. Just didn't work out. So we were right on 2 of our losses, just horrible timing. Oh yeah, M5, it's expensive, yeah. Yeah, it's pretty expensive. M5, yeah. Yeah, you gotta get scalping. But my 15-point stop losses have not been going good today. I've been getting like stopped out hard. Oh, that's nice you get that internet. Yeah. Alright, new 5-minute right here. Yeah, John. These 15 points have not been working for a stop loss. We need to have a wider stop or better entries. But it's okay. We live and we learn from it. You guys think it's going to reject here again? This 858, 860 area? Or is it just going to break it and go up? Yeah, guys, we had a massive sell-off. I mean, this is what? 700 points? 700 points, guys? Crazy. Yeah, ES, 115 points is a lot for ES. Yeah, silver dumped hard too. Gold too. I mean, dude, this is what? 15 points? Which is a lot. Alright, this is gold. Is this the current month GCH or a better one? Looks kind of weird. Nah, it's gotta be something different. I don't know, but we're not trading it. Jeez. 50 racks. Isaac, yeah, if you're up today, 340, and you're thinking about calling it, honestly, yeah, listen to yourself. Yeah, just lock it in, man. Green is green. Green is green. Grizz trades. Yeah. Yeah, silver has been quite aggressive lately. Pretty volatile. GCJ, thank you. Thank you, Tuxin. Oh, yes. Yeah, that was a big dump. Alright, it just tapped right here. I want to see if it actually wants to break and go up to the upside, or it's just going to reject again. $8.30 on NQ. Yeah. Just be careful if it rejects off here again. Meeks? That would be pretty cool, but I don't really play video games. I don't really play any games. Do you guys see Modern Warfare 3 Remastered? Do any of you guys play that? I've been watching like video clips on it. Wow, look at that dump. It's rejecting off there again. Modern Warfare 3 Remastered? Nice M5. Yeah, honestly, M5, if you're up on the day at 1500, honestly, yeah, just call it. Just lock it in. You can always come back, refresh tomorrow, and then, yeah, refresh. Yeah, I like the older Call of Duties, the Modern Warfares. That's why I'm thinking about getting the Modern Warfare 3 Remastered. But I don't know. I don't really play video games like that. I want to get into that one. My brother plays Arc Raiders. I think it's called Arc Raiders. I think. Din, we're down 400 on the day. Down 385. 3 losses and 1 win. J-Man, I'm just growing it out. I'm going full K-Man shit right now. Yeah, M5, you saved that account, right? Like, you said that you're down, you would switch to micros. So, yeah, literally, yeah, honestly, M5, just lock it in. You'll feel a lot better. Yeah, Internet, I like the old school, like, not the futuristic stuff. I like the old school stuff. Good job, FL. Lock it in, man. Fucking cat here. Well, it's just playing ping pong right here, right now. Nice, J-Man. Lock it in, man. Lock it in. Get that payout, guys. Guys, if you have a payout locked in and you're thinking about trading again, best thing to do is just lock it in. It's a guaranteed payout. Cash in your hand. M5, yeah, honestly, bro, if you were down 1800 twice, yeah, literally call it, man. You could trade tomorrow. Literally, M5, literally just like click that X off that trading screen, man. Just lock it in. Yeah, that's a solid payout. Jones. Fuck. It happens, man. The worst one was when you think you're doing micros and then you do minis. You're like, oh, man. Yeah, new 4-hour guys in 25 minutes. Yeah, and I almost did that on my TakeProfitTrader accounts. I almost ripped 5 minis. I'm like, that would have been a really good day or a really bad day. No in between. Oh, man, that's funny. Oh, our new 5-minute right here. It's good, 7th. Honestly, bro, I have no idea what computer I have. Honestly, I have no idea. It's a good one, though. I don't know. I don't know anything about computers. I just buy them. I just bought this one because it had a lot of good reviews. I bought a gaming one because I wanted like a really high quality computer. It was like pre-built. Yeah, yeah. Hey, what's up, Simplistic? Thanks for tuning in. What's up, Zach? Thanks for tuning in, man. What's up, Mix Sounds? How's it going, everyone? Yeah, Zach, we took 3 losses and 1 win, and we're down like 385, so we caught it on those accounts. We're working on these other accounts. No trades yet on these accounts on stream. But we're up 370 from the morning. Took a nice long. Yeah, Zach. Yeah. Yeah. We were right on 2 of the losses, and then we just got stopped out and got in at the horrible timing. Yeah, yeah. But those accounts, Zach, they're still at $1,000. Like, I'm not. They're still alive. We still have $1,000 balance left. Simplistic. Probably like Tradeify, MyFundedFutures, Lucid, TakeProfitTrader. Yep, Zach, that's the plan. They're still at $1,000, guys. They're still alive. If they had like $200 left, yeah, I'd kind of be shitting bricks. But guys, we got $1,000 left. We can still survive. All right, I want to see if it actually wants to break out here or it's just rejecting and playing ping pong here. Nice, Zach. Hey, there you go. Lock it in, man. $700 on today is pretty good. A lot of people is like a hit or miss today. You either a lot of people won today or a lot of people lost today. There you go, Zach. One day at a time. If you're green, man, it's a great way to start that account. Yeah, Trump is speaking at what, 1:30 East P 8? No, 1:30. After market close, guys. So most of the firms you can't trade during that time anyways. Most. Some firms you can. Trying to break out here, but we'll see. We got a new 5 minute and 30 seconds. Yep, Zach. Yep. I mean, tomorrow, Friday, we also have news tomorrow, guys. 5:30 a.m. Alright, new 5 minute right here. Yep. Alright, looks like it's finally breaking out here. Like to see that. Ooh. What's up, Barley? How's it going, man? But yeah, guys, we finally got that moves. Great job, Barley. Yeah. Great day, man. Nice. Coming back down here, we'll see what it wants to do. But I want to see if it's just like a false breakout and comes back down again, or it's actually trying to break out to the upside. Because if we do break out to the upside, that's a nice, that's a big move we could see. If it continues. Alright, coming back down here. Well, I'm hoping we see more moves tomorrow because tomorrow, same thing. Well, yesterday we had a choppy ass FOMC. That was like the worst FOMC I've seen in a very long time. And then today, there's also Tesla earnings after market close yesterday, and I think that moved up a good amount. So that's why I'm thinking we're starting to see better moves right here. But I'm hoping tomorrow we see some good moves because I think we should see some good moves because the last few Fridays have been extremely choppy and really bad, like really slow choppy. But I mean, we'll see. I'm expecting to see good moves tomorrow. Yeah, Zach, these are 3 funded accounts. We got 3 funded right here. I gotta get them to like 2,200 to get a payout. I have to have a consistency rule on these. I have a 40% consistency rule on these accounts. So they're still alive. I mean, yeah, these are 3 funded. Yes, sir. Yeah, we are just stalling right here, so day, yeah. It dropped like so much. Dropped like 700 points. Everyone was expecting big moves like this with Powell, but Powell was like just so chop. Alright, I got a new 5-minute right here. Alright guys, I'll probably end the stream in like 5 minutes. We took 3 losses and 1 win on those TakeProfitTrader accounts. We were right, just at the wrong timings, and it was just no bueno. We need to work on our timing this week. So if you guys got any questions or comments, I'll stay you guys for another 5 minutes. But yeah, guys, the TakeProfitTrader, we took a breakout to the upside right here, I think. Then we got stopped out, and then it ran like 100 points in our favor, and we're like, fuck. And then we took a short up here. That was just a bad trade. Stopped out. Then we took a long right here. 15 points. Then we took another long right here. Got stopped out. And then ran like 40 points. Kind of just unlucky on those 2 trades. I should have had maybe a wider stop because it was a little more volatile today. Price is coming back down right here. But yeah, after that last trade, I'm like, nah, we're done. Yep. Boxer briefs? Yeah, I like boxer briefs. Yeah, well, guys, we do have a new 4-hour and 11 o'clock. 14 minutes. Thank you, Zach. Thank you for tuning in, man. I appreciate you. I'll see you tomorrow, Zach. Thank you. Have a good day. Red one. You guys see that? Internet, yeah, lock that in, man. 20 points. Right now it's kind of doing mumbo jumbo. Like, it's kind of like trying to break up, then coming back down. So it's kind of being iffy right here. That's why I'm just staying cash at the moment. Yeah, internet, it's just stalling a lot right here. That's why we're just staying cash. Yep. Well, these accounts, I need to get them to like a $2,200 balance, so I don't know. We'll see. TakeProfitTrader, yeah, we still have them alive, guys. Yeah, we got $1,000 left. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it here. Yeah, kind of a rough day for me on the TakeProfitTrader, but it's all good. We were right, just at the wrong timings. Yeah, that one trade got stopped out and then ran 100 points. Right here was a bad short entry. That was just a really bad trade. And then we took a nice little bounce play right here, 15 points. And then we took another long right here, stopped out, and then ran like 50 points. So, yeah, we were just kind of right, just at the wrong timing, and that's what we need to work on, and that's what we can learn from. So we're only down 385 bucks on the day, not a big deal. So it's all good. Like I said, we can make it back. The accounts are still alive. We still have them at $1,000. And the name of the game is just survival and learning what we're doing wrong. We were seeing more volatility today, so maybe I should have had a wider stops, like 20, 25 points, and like maybe lower the position to like 4 micros maybe, or 3 to 4 micros maybe. But yeah, just kind of learning stuff like that on more volatile days. Just having maybe a wider stop or something, or also better entries as well. So, yeah. Yeah, exactly, guys. We still got $1,000 left. I mean, last week we had them down at $800 and we brought it back to $1,700 off 5 micros. So I mean, we could literally do the same thing. So yeah, I'm not tripping. We're still good. Yeah, guys, I'll be I'll be guys live tomorrow 9 a.m. PST. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it here. Have a good day. Gonna go outside, go do something, go work out, do whatever. Yeah, I'll see you guys at 9 a.m. tomorrow, PST. And yeah, so peace out, guys. See you tomorrow.